Alright, so we are given this as our problem. And first question, she did commit the murder. Is write the correct formula that models the temperature of the wine after being subjected to the room's environment for T hours. With all the given information, we come up with the equation of 73 plus 50 minus 73 e to the negative 0.3 times by 1. Question 2 asks, what does the value of T of 0 represent? And that represents the initial temp of the object. And in this problem, it's 50 degrees. What temperature does T converge to as lowercase t gets very large? And when you put in a very large number for T, you find that it converges to 73 degrees, which is room temperature, or at least the temperature of that room. So number 4 asks us to use half-hour increments. So we plug in all the values, and to do this, you just put the equation into your calculator and put in these different hours into T. So 0.5, when I put 0.5 in, I got 53.2, so I'm going to leave, it's about there. I'm going to make an X actually. And then at 1, I got 55.96, so I'm going to do it about 56. An hour and a half was about 58.3, so about here. And then I kept going, and then I got 60.38. And 62.14, 63.65, and 65, or 64.95, and 4 was about 67, or 66, so about here. So I have a line similar, kind of like this, and, okay, so that's not exactly, you get the picture I'm trying to draw. It's a little bit difficult on this thing. So from here, we can go to question 5, and it says, using the graph, approximate how long it should take the wine's temperature to rise to 65 in this scenario. Okay, 65 degrees is about right here. So, about how long? I looked in 3.5. When we put 3.5 in for our time, we got 64.95, which is closest to this value. So I said it's approximately 3.5 hours for this to happen. So then question 6 asks us, what time did the wife actually pour her glass of wine? Well, she poured the glass of wine at, she says 6 o'clock. But with this information, we can take the value. So we can take the time that they did the sampling, which was 7 o'clock, and we can go 3.5 hours earlier than that, and I would get 3:30 in the afternoon is the actual time that it was poured. So